Here with a brawl.
I would like to take this opportunity to express my admiration for your cause. It is both honorable and brave.
Barfin Belch, Soaring Sidekick, and Dagger Skrill. We're going to take out Dagger Skrill first.
To break from a purpose and then turn to fight him shows great conviction of character.
Master Gashar, we just received word from our scout in the Shorinka quadrant. The Gaul system lords have been told where we are. They've dispatched 2 motherships.
When will they arrive?
Within the day, perhaps hours.
Start the evacuation.
I'll go after the Soaring Sidekick.